weekly period ಇರೋದು
Right. Okay, but
Okay. So I'll solve this example. Any doubts are there, you should ask here. Just read the problem first. Tension member of a bridge truss. A truss is designed for a bridge. In that one, a tension member is taken here. Of a channel section ISMC 300 at 351.2 connected to a gusset plate of thickness 10 mm. Member has to transmit a load of 800 kilonewton. The overlap is restricted to, the overlap is limited to 350. What it means here is, what are this overlap I am showing here, no 350. This much they have restricted. It cannot go beyond this point inside. I cannot increase this 350. There is a meaning of that. So overlap is limited to 350. Design the weld. Field welded. The welding is done at the field. So what happens if it is done in the field is gamma mw. This value becomes 1.5. Otherwise it is 1.25. So this is the problem here. So observe here, a gusset plate is to be connected to the channel section by welding. What I'm trying to do here is I want to find out the length of the weld. How much should be the length of the weld? If I'm not permitted to for more overlap, 350 is maximum. And if I calculate this, if I apply like this all round, if I apply all round, it is 350 plus 300 plus one more 350. Are you getting this? It is 1000 now. I'm getting a length of 1000. But if the length requirement as per the design is more than 1000, what I should do? I should cut it here, make a slot, then there I should apply the weld. So I have to maintain the length. If I am not permitted to increase 350, if I can push it another 400, then again I'll get more length, but that is not permitted. They are telling like that. Okay. So limited to design the weld, field welded. It is not shop welded. So as I told you again and again, if it is shop welded, this is less. Gamma mw will be less. Otherwise, it is field welded means it is 1.5. So let us start this one. Huh? What I should do now? I should decide the size of the weld first. What should be the size of the weld? So in this one, to decide the size of the weld, what data I should have is which is the most thin plate out of this. Whether the gusset plate is thickness is less, or I section, that is channel section, the web is very thin, or flange is thin. Thinnest plate you have to consider here. Thinnest plate is TW 8.1. How it is useful for? When you want to finalize approximately the size of the weld here, yes, calculation I am doing. I have done 8.1 minus 1.5. That is thinnest plate. Thinnest part is gusset plate is 10 mm. So here the cross section I have drawn here. Flange thickness is 13.6. Web thickness is 8.1. So one value is 10, one more is 13.6, one more is 8.1. Thinnest is 8.1. So that value you take here 8.1, subtract 1.5 from that. 1.5 is constant. Thinnest plate you take, thinnest portion, in that one subtract 1.5, you will get this number 6.6. So it is very close to 6 millimeter. Assume 6 mm. So once size is finalized, so how I finalize the size? Is it clear now? I checked which is the thinnest part out of this, thinnest section. So web is thinnest, minus 1.5. So therefore throat thickness will be 0.7 times S. S is size. Again I got 4.2 here. Is there any question in this case? Any doubt here? Now I know the throat thickness because size is known. From size it is 0.7 times 6, it is the size is 4.2. You can look at this equation here. This is important equation. All any problem on welded you can solve if you know this formula here. Remember it. So you substitute a Fu 410 root 3 as it is and 1.5 because it is field welded. LE is unknown. T is 4.2. PUW is given in the problem itself. Load to be transmitted is 800 kilonewton. Okay. So what I will do, 800 kilonewton is the force to be resisted or transmitted. So here 800 into 10 raised to 3 is equal to substitute all, you will get LE. LE is equal to, I got this LE as 1207.7. Now the problem is, what is the problem now? I don't have that much of length available here. I can get only 1000. Whereas the design requirement is 1207, 1207 it is. So what is the option for me? Even if I apply all round here, I am not able to get the required length which can resist that much of force, which is 800 kilonewton. So what I will do for that, I'm going to cut and make a slot here. After making a slot, I will see that there also weld is applied. So observe this. A slot is created here. This much portion is removed from the web. And what I will do, I'll apply here weld. This length has to be calculated. I will apply here. If required, here also I can apply this 30 mm if I choose it. Slot size is 30 mm. Then I will add this length, all whatever weld inside. Inside the weld slot is connected here, and outside this is here it is done. So totally 1000. Entire thing is 1000 plus I have to add these welded again length. It should be more than 1200. Whatever answer I am having, it should be more than 1207. In that way, I should prepare a slot. So my job is to find out how much is X value, how much is the length of this slot, so that I can adjust the total length of 1207. Is it clear this one? Any doubt in this what I'm doing? See why this is slot is required is this much of length is not sufficient. If I apply all round, as I told you, I am getting 1000, but the value is actual length should be provided. Length of the weld should be 1207.07. So I should make a slot in such a way that it is more than this. Weld length is more than this number. So with this one, I have to create the slot here. Then how much should be this length? So what I can do here is you add all this and equate it to LE. Add all this, writing X and X here. Okay. Now I'll write it. Observe here. It is actually simple problem, but you need to understand properly here. Observe this. What I will do is I'll equate this number 1207.07 equal to, see this. This is 350. Still the meeting is going on. This is 250 bottom, top 250. 250 is allowed, that much overlap is allowed. This is 2 into 350. Plus, see this, X here, X here. Let us assume this is 30. It can be 25 or 30, this one, width of the slot. So I am getting that length also, 30. Okay, this 30. How much length I am actually getting now? Plus 2x This much length I am getting here, no? 2x. This is x, this is x. What about this 300 minus 30 has to be removed in that. Again, it will be same actually, but anyway, if I have added 30 here, I have to subtract. Otherwise, I can directly give 300 because this is here, this much 330 is also here, also it is there. So 300 minus 30. So 1207.07 equal to this much because I want at any cost this much length of the weld. So from this one, I will find the value of x. X can be calculated from this. Okay. In this way, these are important examples. There will be a slot, and you have to make a slot, and you should be able to get it. Any questions here? Anybody has got any doubt? What I have done? I simply used one simple formula here. This formula I used. This one. In this one, I calculated LEA. After finding LEA, I came to know that this much is not enough. It is only 1000. So I need to form a slot here. So slot size is 30 mm is the width. 25 or 30 mm you can keep. So this one is 30 or slot size can be 30 mm or 25 mm. 30 mm. What about the width of the slot? Width of the slot can be obtained using this condition. Total length should be 1207.07. From that condition, I can find the value of 2x. So total length available is 2 into 350 both sides plus 300 width of the slot 2 times x because x this side x other side of the slot 2x plus height is 300 minus 30 because this slot is done no here. There is a slot here that much is removed, that is why. So like this find the value of x. I'll go to the next page, observe here. Any questions are there you can ask here. And now it is open. Now it is open. Now observe here. You can see this diagram. Exactly like this only you can solve in the exam. Same like this only you can prepare the. I have already shared it. Now see this. Now I have formed a slot here of length x width 25. I told you it can be 25 or 30. Depending upon that, you can find the length. 30 is also okay. 25 is also okay here. Since overlap is restricted to 350, total length of the weld available without slots. Just give me 1 second. The meeting is about to end. 1 second.
Thank you. sir, you can also stay back.
Okay, see what I have done here is ultimately I have given you the idea how to solve it. Two more I'll share it now. Two more problems I'm going to share here. Like this it is done here. See 2 into 350 plus 275. This 275 is why it is because it is 300 minus 25 here. See 300 minus this much is removed. So total 300 minus 25, that much length is available here on this line. There is a 275 has come. No, sir, here. No, sir, here. ಆಯ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಓ any questions here? So what I have done, you observe, just go through these notes again. I have shared it. Any doubts are there, you ask, because today continuously meetings are going on here. Continuous meetings are going on. See this totally I am able to see after you assuming x is equal to 105. See this, I got the value of a difference value is taken in this way it is solved. 2x is equal to 2. I have taken it like this 105. See